Oh, good. Look who's back. Forrest. Forrest is back. Hey, Forrest. You don't blind me. Come here. I don't always hear you. Only once in a while. I love you. Come here. Come here. Well, I hear dogs too. I love you. Come here. Did you say I'm a butterfly? Oh, well, thank you. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Sometimes I think they send messages from other people or spirits. I don't know. But I hear dogs too. Yeah, we won't talk about that. As you know, it's Halloween time. Well, it's not Halloween time, but it's Halloween will be here in 5 weeks. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Most of the time, I tell them, well, we can agree to disagree. I don't always agree with what animals say. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. I see you. I see you. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna shut the video off.